Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a lash lift and tint. So I'm going to be using this kit. It's from Amazon. I'll put the link below because I got it a while back. I just don't remember how much it was. So it is called Lash Lift Enhanced Beauty, and then the brand name is Titiana Naturals. Alright, so there's that, and then I'm also going to be using the tint, which is this one right here. Lash and Brow Dye, 1000 Hour, Enhanced Beauty. Okay, and in this thing, it comes with, now I've used these products before, so you're going to see that it's got stuff on it. So it comes with the color and the liquid developer, and then these little eye pads to protect your skin from getting any product on it. And then in the lash lift kit, there's supposed to be there's 3 mediums, 1 large, and a small. So there's 5 sizes of curl pattern. This is what they look like, and you stick them right there. We'll be doing that soon. So there's 5 sizes. I lost the small because that's the one I've used before, and I really liked that one, but again I lost it, so I'm going to be using the medium. There's 3 mediums, medium 1, and medium 2. I'll be using just the medium. It comes with these little tools to put the glue on. Now, you can use the glue that comes with the kit, but I'm going to use the Duo, the glue stick one, the Perm solution, which is number 1. Number 2 is called Fixation. It's the neutralizing solution, basically to lock in the curl. Then number 3 is Nutrition. It's to put back the oils and stuff so your hair doesn't get dry and fall off. And then number 4, which is the cleanser, which it's number 4, but you use it first. Number 3 is very important. Do not skip that step, because when I first did this, I thought, oh, no big deal, you know, I'll just put it. Well, I did it that same day. I didn't skip that step, but you should be putting it on after. Like, let's say I did them today, now tomorrow or the day after, I should put some more of the number 3, which is the Nutrition. Just because mine, they didn't like completely fall off, but I noticed that, yeah, I started losing some lashes. So, more than normal, because they do fall off normally, just like hair does. So anyway, let's get started. So before I get started, actually, I'm going to put my hair up. I zoomed the camera in a little bit. And then I'm going to be using the M's again. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your glue. You can use the one that comes with the kit, but I'm using the Duo. And you just put it all over the flat side of the former. And starting from here, make sure you get it all over. Everything started to go wrong. You'll see in videos I'm going to post. You wait a few seconds till it gets tacky, and then you place it over your eye. Coming up. So I have a minute and 30 seconds left, and this one completely came off of the glue. And it looks like the side that was falling off looks a lot more curled than the side that stayed. So I'm just going to go ahead and redo them. Instead of the 10 minutes, I'm going to do 5. So this time I'm going to clean the lash first.
So just using the cleanser, you're going to clean your lashes from all the oils and debris, and then wait a minute for that to dry.
Stick these on.
Once I've stuck these on, I'm going to wait a minute and then go to the next step.
I'm going to apply glue on the form and then on the lash. Okay, once it's a little bit tacky, you can start brushing the hairs up. First with the little paddle side, and then I'll brush through.
Using the plastic tool it comes with, I'm going to use this flat side first and then push the lashes up onto the glue, and then I'm going to comb it through with the other side of that same tool.
It's getting really tacky, so I'm going to put more glue just so I can brush through.
So I keep moving out of frame, but I left it because you can pretty much see the gist of what I'm doing. I'm just pushing the hair up and then brushing it through with that tool that the kit comes with. And then I'm going to insert the video clip of the first time I did it. You can see what I'm doing a lot better right here, but definitely not nearly enough glue. And then you want to use the flat side first. Right here I'm using the comb, but you want to use the flat side first and then comb them through. And again, not nearly enough glue here.
Okay, so this time I waited 10 minutes for the glue to dry. And now I'm going to be putting the perm solution. Alright, so now I'm going to put 5 minutes and then I'll do the part 2. Oh, so what I also forgot the first time was the lip or the lash tint. So what I did is I put, that's the 5-minute timer, I put a little bit of moisturizer underneath my on my under eyes, and then I put the little papers on top, and then I'm gonna wipe off since the 5 minutes is up, I'm gonna wipe off the perm solution, which is number 1. My lighting. Alright, so I wiped that off. And then you mix the lip, or why do I keep saying lip or wanting to say lip? The eyelash tint equal parts. You mix it in this little section until it's a little creamy consistency. And then you're going to cover your lashes with that. And then now I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. So now you wait for 10 minutes. Alright, so now I'm going to clean off this tint. Okay, now I can put the solution number 2, which is the neutralizing solution. Okay, now I'm going to wait 5 more minutes. Alright, so since I've already used so many cotton swabs, this time I'm going to be using a makeup wipe. In a few seconds, and then I'm going to clean the extra glue residue with the cleaning solution, and then after that I'm going to put in the nutrition and leave that on the lashes. This is the finished results. Pretty cute. Yay! Thanks for watching.